This task will walk through the steps to generate a simple image mosaic to merge adjacent images from the same sensor with the same number of bands. Start QGIS 2.4 and enable the grass toolbar. If QGIS is already open from the previous task, create a new empty project. On the grass toolbar, click the Open Map Set button. Set the following options on the Select Grass Map Set dialog, then click OK. For the GIS DBase, choose the lab folder. For the location, choose Lab 3 Data. And for the map set, choose User 2, and click OK. Load the following image bands from the Lab 3 Data location into QGIS by clicking on the Open Grass Tools button on the Grass toolbar, then selecting the Browser tab. Expand the User 2 and Raster folders, and then select the following rasters by pressing Add Selected to Map Canvas button. So we're going to choose all four. I'm holding it on my Shift key here, and I'm going to click Add Selected Map to Canvas. Okay, you can see they're now on my QGIS canvas. So I'm going to click the Close button. I'm going to zoom to full extents just to make sure that I'm seeing everything, and it looks like I am. Note that the four rasters are adjacent and represent one larger square area. Before we mosaic the rasters together, we'll first need to define the region that our newly mosaiced raster will fill. A region can be thought of as a working window for raster processing. So once again, I'm going to open up Grass Tools. I'm going to click on the Modules list, and in the Filter input box, I'm going to enter Region. I'm going to double click on the G.region.multiple raster. So there we go right there. And that's going to open that module. I'm going to set the following options for the G.region.multiple raster tool. So I'm going to type in the names of the rasters separated by a comma. So subset 1, comma, subset 2, comma, subset 3, comma, subset 4. I'm now going to click the Run button. Make sure it says Successfully Finished. Then I'm going to close the Grass Tools. And you should now notice this red box around all four of my rasters, and that represents the current raster processing region. Now that the region has been set, we will now mosaic the rasters together into a single new raster. To do this, we will utilize the R.patch tool. The R.patch tool sets the current region's cell values with the value of the specified rasters. Therefore, since the current region is filled by four rasters, the values from each of the four rasters will transfer to the new mosaicked raster, which is the same size as the current region. So once again, open the Grass Tools and click on the Modules List tab. In the filter box, quickly type in Patch, and I'm going to open up the R.patch tool. I'm going to set the following options for the R.patch tool. The name of the raster maps to be patched together is going to be subset 1. The name of the raster maps to be patched together down here is going to be subset 1, comma, subset 2, comma, subset 3, comma, subset 4. The name of the resultant raster map is going to be Mosaic. I'm going to click the Run button to execute it. It is successfully completed. And I'm going to add the newly created mosaic to the QGIS canvas by clicking the View Output button. I'm going to click Close. I'm going to turn on and off the mosaic. And now I'm going to turn off a few subsets. And you can see that the mosaic does indeed include all four of the subset rasters. There we go.